We're working on this 2023 BMW M8. Our customer wanted something really different on the road when it comes to these BMWs, so he wanted to go with this matte PPF. This matte PPF completely changes the paint from a glossy finish to more like a dull looking color, kind of like a satin look of the exact color that the car is. He wanted something different, but he also wanted to protect it. So unlike a wrap can give you some kind of protection, but he wanted something that was going to protect the car and also give it a unique look. So the process for doing something like this, which is full body on the car, we do all of the paint on the car, and if you'd like to add on some of the acrylic pieces, we'll do those as well. But a process like this takes usually about up to 5 days, and the reason it takes 5 days is because we're covering all of the car that has paint. So especially with matte, we're trying to eliminate any kind of gloss that is showing on the car anywhere. That's the really big key, because when you get your car wrapped, you're covering every part of color. So that's the goal with this as well, is to make sure that we get as much coverage as possible. And sometimes that means using cutouts that aren't on our plotter. We sometimes have to do what we call bulking in order to get that extra coverage. So the cost to get something done like this on an average daily driver is anywhere from $6,500 to $12,000, just depending on the size of the vehicle, whether it's a 2-door coupe, 4-door sedan, SUV, or a truck.